Hey, what's up, Kisho? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Kisho. What's the current price of Kisho? What's the price change in the Kisho? In this video, I will show you, my friends. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button. Also, like this video, my friends. My friends, at this time, the things are getting crazy in the Kisho. You know what? The 1D price change is positive, and the next day price change is negative. 1D the price pump, second day the price is again down. So the people are so confused, my friends. So what should we do in this time? Let me show you, my friends. But before starting this video, please, my friends, please, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, at this time, the latest price of the Kisho is 0.000002 USD dollar. My friends, at this time, the price of the Kisho is very low. And you know what? The future of the Kisho is very bright. So first of all, that's a good opportunity for all of you to invest in a Kisho and make a profit with the Kisho in the future, my friends. The price change occurred in the last 1 hour. Price change is positive. Last 1 day, last 1 week price change is negative. So as I told you, my friends, that at this time the people are so confused because the Kisho 1 day pump, second day down. That's why the people are so confused. Let me show you the price chart of the Kisho. My friends, at this time you can see here the price of the Kisho is completely going down, completely fast down. But in the last hour, there's a hope, my friends. In the last hour, there's a hope. They start pump. The price chart tells us that there is a pump. The Kisho start pumping. So there is a hope, my friends. And that's a good news from me to Kisho start pumping, my friends. I'm very happy when I see the positive trends occur in the Kisho. You know what, my friends? Personally, I believe that Kisho is the future trending coin. They will give us good amount of profit in the future, my friends. But the people don't understand the current situation of the Kisho. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Kisho? Please also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.